In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate DocuSign with your SalesMate CRM. By the end of this quick guide, you'll have seamlessly connected these two powerful tools, enhancing your workflow and making document management a breeze. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, open up your Chrome browser. Once you have Chrome up and running, go ahead and log into your SalesMate CRM account. It's important you're logged in because all the integrations and configurations we'll be doing need access to your main dashboard. If you're not logged in or have multiple accounts, make sure you're using the one where you want DocuSign to be integrated. After logging into SalesMate, we'll move on to navigating the system a bit. You want to look for the integrations section or marketplace. Depending on which version you are using, it might either be labeled as integrations directly from the dashboard menu, or you may need to go into the marketplace section to find it. It should be straightforward, but don't hesitate to use the search function provided inside SalesMate if you have any troubles locating it. Once you're in the integration section, it's time to search for DocuSign. You can do this by simply typing DocuSign in the search bar. It should pop right up, and once you find it, click on it to begin the installation process. This will usually involve a button that says Install or Enable, and clicking on this will start setting up the integration. After clicking to install or enable, you'll be prompted to authenticate your DocuSign account. This step is crucial because it gives the necessary permissions for SalesMate to access your DocuSign account. Follow the prompts carefully. These steps usually involve logging into your DocuSign account if you're not already logged in, and then authorizing SalesMate to connect with your account. Authentication is typically quite straightforward, but ensure you're logged into the correct DocuSign account, especially if you have multiple accounts or business and personal ones. Once authentication is complete, the last thing we need to do is configure the settings to send documents and track signatures directly from SalesMate. Inside the integration settings, you'll find various options. You can usually customize when and how documents are sent directly from SalesMate, set preferences for notifications, and even decide the level of signature tracking details you want. Take your time here and ensure these settings match your workflow needs because a well-configured integration can vastly improve your productivity and tracking capabilities. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully integrated DocuSign with SalesMate, enabling you to send documents effortlessly and track signatures with ease. With this integration, you can streamline your processes and focus more on what matters most, building and maintaining client relationships. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks.